This super easy smudged brown smoky eye is the perfect example of ease and elegance. With so many Indian festivals coming up, here's the fastest way to put yourself together with minimal makeup. As always, I like to prep my skin before I apply any makeup over it. So I'm going to start with a hydrating cream or a moisturizer. This is the Essential Energy Hydrating Cream from Shiseido, my current favorite moisturizer. I'm applying a generous amount over my face and neck. And to hydrate under my eyes, I'm going to be using the Kiehl's Super Multi-Corrective Anti-Aging Eye Cream. This is going to help smooth out all those fine lines, so when I use a concealer or a foundation, it's not going to cake up. I can't stop talking about this product. It's the Tarte BB Tinted Treatment Primer. It also has inbuilt SPF of 30. So as you can see, it's tinted. It's a primer, but it's tinted. And it's almost got that soft, fluffy, mousse-like texture to it. So what I like to do is, on days when I don't like to apply too much makeup, I just use this. I'm using the shade medium, which beautifully melts into my skin tone. And as you can see, it gives you that light coverage. Obviously, it's not going to cover those dark patches and spots that you have on the face. So what I do next is I go in with a concealer just to spot correct. So I'm going to be using my favorite Milani concealer in the shade 145. What I do with this is I'm going to target those areas where my skin tone is uneven, mostly around my mouth, under my eyes, and to spot correct. And because I'm using a concealer that's a perfect match to my skin tone, it's not going to leave any ashy tones. I like to apply it and let it sit on my face for a couple minutes, usually 2 to 4 minutes till it's a little bit dry and tacky. And if you blend after it dries up a little bit is when it gives you full coverage. If you blend immediately after application, then it'll sheer out because it's still very creamy. So while it's settling down and drying up a little bit, I like to contour my face very lightly just to add some dimension. The contour stick I'm using is from Fenty. It's in the shade Truffle. This contour stick is thick and pigmented, so I can blend it out as soon as I apply it. I'm using an angled brush from Real Techniques to blend it out. And now that the concealer is a little bit dry and tacky, I'm going to blend that out as well. And the brush that I'm using is a Laura Geller concealer brush. If you ask me, this is my favorite way to do makeup. I don't like to apply too much makeup and make it look really cakey. I feel like makeup should be used to just enhance your features and not make you a completely different person. So I like to use a simple base like a tinted moisturizer, and then I like to spot correct. Next, I'm going to be using a blush by Rare Beauty. This is the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in the shade Grateful. But this is extremely pigmented for the kind of look that I'm going for. So what I'm going to do is mix it with a little bit of concealer to tone it down before I apply it. And as you can see, that gives a more natural rosy hue and it blends straight into my skin tone. And then I'm going to lightly set everything with the One Size Translucent Loose Blurring Powder. That's it. The base was quick and easy. Let's move on to the brows and eyes. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Long Lasting Brow Pencil by Colourpop in the shade Soft Black. This is an excellent dupe for the Precisely My Brow from Benefit Cosmetics, which is my favorite brow pencil. So I like this as well. It's got that precision tip and it's very pigmented as well. And it's on sale for $5. You can't beat that. As always, I'm going to only fill up the sparse areas to clean my brows up. There's a little bit of concealer residue left on the brush, so I'm going to use that to clean up underneath my brows, but I'm not going to be using it on my lid. That's because I'm going to be using a shadow stick as a base on my lid. This is the Nom Nom Multi Stick by Wet n Wild. I'm going to apply it all over my lid and in my lower lash line. It's easier to apply this straight up on your skin on the lid rather than applying it over a concealer or a primer. And then I'm going to quickly blend out the edges with my finger. This is my fourth eye pencil and it's almost done. This is the Haus Labs Identify Gel Kohl Eyeliner in Punk. It's the perfect eye pencil to create a smudged kohl liner look. It glides on really smooth, so I'm going to be applying it in my waterline and in my lash line. And I'm going to quickly smudge it out with my finger. And for my lower lash line, I'm using a precision definer brush to smudge it out. From the LH Cosmetics color palette, I'm going to pick up this brown shade and I'm going to completely saturate my lid as well as lower lash line with it. I'm going over the smudged kohl as well. That way it gives me those ombre of colors. It'll be deepest or darkest at the lash line, and as it moves upward and outward, it becomes lighter and lighter before it melts into my skin tone. Using my collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics, this is the Flash Highlighter. I'm going to highlight my brow bones before I curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to be using YSL Lash Clash. And for lashes, I'm using these half lashes in Clouded by Auric. You don't have to use lashes, you can just do mascara and call it done. I just wanted to give you both options and show you how it looks. And here is the finished brown smoky eye. Super easy and simple when you use a brown base and start from there and then smudge the kohl liner and apply the eyeshadow and call it done. Instead of a lipstick, I'm going with a lip pencil today. This is Beverly Bungalow by ColourPop. These are more long lasting than bullet lipsticks because they're not as creamy. I'm pretty sure this product is sold out, so I'm going to link other products that are a dupe for this product. And I'm also going to link Indian products that you can use as a substitute, so do check out the description box right below this video. My outfit and jewelry are from Bangalore. My outfit is from Dazzle Studio in Jayanagar in Bangalore, India. And then my earrings are from Commercial Street, again from Bangalore. And here is the finished look. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. And what I personally absolutely love about this look is how simple it is. At the same time, it doesn't look very simple. It looks a little bit glam because of the smoky eye and the red lip, but it's so easy and effortless to pull off. If you try this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed just below the video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.